Elif and Kuzey's Karaman adventure. "Welcome to Karaman," said Elif to her younger brother Kuzey. Their grandmother had brought them to visit the heart of Turkey, a city famous for history. "Did you know this is where the Turkish language was first declared the official state language many years ago?" asked Grandma. Their first stop was the giant Karaman Castle, high on a hill. It looked strong and silent. "The castle was built long, long ago to protect the city," explained Kuzey, peering through a small stone window. From the castle, they could see the vast plains and the towering peaks of the Karadag Mountains in the distance. Elif imagined knights riding across the grassy fields. "Karaman is truly beautiful," she whispered. Next, they visited the peaceful Ibrala Dam. The water stretched out like a huge, calm mirror reflecting the blue sky. People were sitting by the shore, fishing quietly. They packed up their picnic basket, filled with crunchy Karaman biscuits, and headed towards the hills. The sun was getting warmer, and the air smelled like dry grass and wildflowers. Deeper into the countryside, they found the cool, damp entrance to Moraspolis Cave. It was a mysterious hole in the ground. "This cave has been here for thousands of years," said Elif, ready to explore. Inside, the cave felt like a secret stone palace. Water dripped slowly, creating strange, beautiful shapes called stalactites and stalagmites. Kuzey pointed up at a column that looked like a sleeping giant. "Karaman isn't just about rocks and castles, it's about history. It used to be the capital of a powerful group called the Karamanids, who ruled this land centuries ago. They left behind stunning old mosques and schools. For a true taste of Karaman, they stopped at a local shop. Elif tried some famous divil cheese, stored naturally in goatskin, and Kuzey munched happily on sweet red apples, Karaman's best. As the sun set, painting the plains orange, Elif hugged Kuzey. "Karaman holds so many stories, doesn't it?" she said. They decided they would definitely come back to hear all the rest.